All right, this was another advanced topics in programming assignment. This one is more, I guess, conceptual. We technically didn't have to have anything working. We just had to have the structure down. Because what it was, we were basically described uh, a system, not like a program, like a system. See here, order manager, order shipment, that kind of system. And we were like given what classes it was to have, and we had to make a UML diagram and at the very least some empty code to kind of show how it works or how the relationships would be. So I guess I'll show the UML diagram right away. So this is how it looks. If I show here, so you have the product. No, obviously you need a product for an order, so that's that relationship there. Then a ticket is for an order or for a product. See here, this is received. A receipt is for an order. Order shipment has a you process the shipment with a ticket. Product manager, manages products. Cargo dealer is kind of unrelated, it just processes the ticket as well. And then order manager is kind of like the big one where it has product manager, cargo dealer, order shipment, and then your history of orders there, which is the only one that isn't another class. So that's kind of the UML relationship diagram there. And I'll kind of just show it. Not too much to talk about. I don't really like doing the relationship stuff. It's just you know, uh, having something conceptual and then just say, make these relationships is a little bit unrealistic because, the relationships are probably going to either already be there or going to be relatively simple because in, industry, you're going to be working with someone else's code. And if you're doing something personal, you're not going to be doing all this at once. You're probably going to start off, small and then, you're going to be like, oh, this connects to this. Whereas this is all just kind of thrown at us, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. So cargo dealer just processes the ticket, and some of these don't do very much because it's just, what's the word I'm looking for? It's just, we didn't technically even have to have anything in there. It just helped me, it helped me understand better by actually making these function properly, even if in a very simple way. So here is an order. So an order is contains a product and a number of product, and then you get that total there, which is just 200, just because two string, that sort of thing. You have an order manager. You make your order. See, an order can fail, because it's based off of if it's available. You generate a receipt. You can return an order. See here, and then it increases the amount of the product, and then order to return that quantity. And then find by order ID or find order by ID, sorry. And then you just check the availability as well. You have an order shipment, which basically processes it if a ticket is received. You have a product itself, which is name, amount, is received, set amount, set name, set received, to string. Product manager, which basically just manages if a product is available and deals with the amount, so increase or decrease. A receipt is just, gives information on the order. It's kind of like a to string in that sense. And then ticket is just set receive get receive to string. And then if I go in the main, you'll see I kind of have sample stuff. So you make the products and then your order manager, and then you make an order for this, make an order for this, make an order for this, and then I return some a certain quantity. See, this is over the quantity, so you'll see that that works as well. And check the availability, and then you have the order, the history of orders, which has everything that's been ordered. So let me just run it here. And also, I failed to mention that this is actually a Java and not a Spring Boot with just terminal stuff. So if I go to the top here, see, make an order gives you a receipt. So there, total price, order ID, that stuff, and then this says order ID has been returned, order not found, and then the amount left of each one. So here's this started at 100 and I ordered 2, and this other one started at 300 and I ordered 10. So that's now 98 and 290. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to go over this one quick because next assignment is when we get into the RESTful APIs, and that's probably my favorite part of this. I prefer working with because for the way we did it, we had 2 courses that used Spring Boot. This one was more about the RESTful APIs after this, obviously, and the other one was just about web applications and didn't have to have REST controllers necessarily. So yeah, I'm more so looking forward to the RESTful stuff, and then after that, I'm more so looking forward to the web development stuff, web apps. But for now, I'll see you next time.